What if I told you people are partying at 10 in the morning? No alcohol, no nightclubs, just coffee, DJs, and dancing. This isn't a joke, and it's not just a weird TikTok trend. It's called a coffee rave, and it is popping up everywhere, from New York to London to small local cafes that used to be quiet study spots. Today, I want to explain what coffee raves actually are, why they're suddenly becoming popular, and what this trend says about how nightlife is changing, especially for Gen Z. Because somehow, caffeine became the new club drug. What is a coffee rave? A coffee rave is exactly what it sounds like. A cafe or coffee shop turns into a mini club for a few hours. There's a DJ, loud music, people dancing, but instead of shots and cocktails, you're ordering lattes, matcha, or cold brew. These events usually happen in the morning or early afternoon, and the vibe is high energy, but surprisingly friendly. No dark rooms, no hangovers, no stumbling home at 3 a.m. You show up, dance, socialize, get caffeinated, and then still go on with your day, which honestly sounds illegal to older generations. Why are coffee raves trending? So why is this happening now? First, less alcohol. A lot of young people today are drinking less, or not at all. But that doesn't mean they don't want music, dancing, or social connection. Coffee raves let people keep the fun part of partying without the downsides. Second, changing schedules. Gen Z values sleep, mental health, and productivity way more than previous generations. Staying out until 4 a.m. just isn't the flex it used to be. A morning rave fits into a lifestyle where you can still be social and functional. Third, social media. Coffee raves look great on camera. Bright spaces, happy people, daylight, aesthetic drinks. It's perfect for TikTok and Instagram. And finally, community. Traditional nightlife can feel expensive, exclusive, or intimidating. Coffee raves feel more welcoming. You don't need to drink, dress up, or know the scene. You just show up. Is this the future of partying? Now, does this mean nightclubs are dead? Probably not. But it does show something important. People want alternatives. Coffee raves are part of a bigger shift, sometimes called soft clubbing or sober curious culture, where the goal isn't excess, but experience. Less how drunk did you get, more did you actually enjoy yourself. For some people, coffee raves will be a phase. For others, they might completely replace traditional nights out. And honestly, both can exist. So whether coffee raves are the future of partying, or just a moment in time, one thing is clear. The way we socialize is changing. Earlier hours, less alcohol, more intention. Would you go to a coffee rave? Or does partying without alcohol feel wrong on a spiritual level? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos about new social trends like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. Because apparently, the club didn't disappear. It just ordered an oat milk latte.